Hello and welcome to Let's Talk Bourchier. On this edition, the Year 4's are hosting yet again. I'm Ava and I'm here with
Bodhi and Tex.
And today we are joined with a very special guest. Drum roll, please.
Mrs Shattock! Yay!
So, Miss Shattock, how are you today?
I'm very well, thank you, Ava, and Tex and Bodhi.
Could you tell us a little bit about yourself?
So I live in Shepparton with my husband and my 2 ginger cats and my very old dog, and I work at Bourchier Street teaching you beautiful kids.
Pretty good. How long have you been teaching for?
Oh, a very long time, Tex. I don't know if I really want to say how many years.
No, you can.
About 30 years. But I did have 7 years at home when I had my children.
Pretty good. What is the highlight of your teaching career?
I'd have to say the highlight is every year when I go to graduation, grade 6 graduation, and see all the preps that I used to teach graduating. That is an absolute highlight every year for me. Grade 3 camp last year. What a highlight that was.
Yeah. I hear you're a big reader. Could you tell us your favourite book?
My favourite book is Harry McClary by Linley Dodd, because Harry McClary reminds me of my little dog, who's very scruffy.
My favourite book would be non-fiction, which are like zoology and biology books.
My favourite book to say so far is The Extremely Embarrassing Life of Lottie Brooks.
I really like Dogman. I see you're running a gardening club. Could you tell our audience a gardening tip?
So the one tip I give everyone is to make sure you talk to your plants, because plants need water, they need sun, and they need lots of love. So we do lots of talking to the plants out there in Gardening Club.
I hear you have a safari room. Could you tell us, if you were an animal, what animal would you be?
Well, my favourite animal is a cat. So if I was on a safari, probably the lion, because they're just like the biggest cat.
I would be a kangaroo so I can jump high.
I would want to be a giraffe because I'm really short compared to my basketball team, so I can be really tall.
I would be a crocodile so that I have the ability to swim faster.
Now it's time for a drum roll, please.
Guess that sound!
Hi guys, so on this segment of Guess That Sound, I'm going to play 6 random sounds. Everyone, show us your buzzers, please. So Tex first. Burger. What's yours? Miss Shattock? Okay. So once you hear that sound and you know what it is, I want you to press that buzzer, okay? So the first sound is... Tex.
Spring.
I'm going to play it again.
Like one of those things in the trampoline, like when...
That's a spring.
No, I'm not talking about that.
Yeah, I'm just thinking of a spring now.
What is it?
Pogo stick.
Not quite.
Oh, now I remember.
Yes.
Cartoon character getting dizzy.
No.
Or jumping.
Okay. I'm going to play another sound. And that's going to be in the background, but I'm going to play another one. Hopefully you guys will get this one. Oh, that was Jane. Mrs. Shattock was first. What was that?
Opening a can.
Yes, 1 point to Mrs. Shattock. Okay, I've got another one. You guys should get this. Tex?
It was a door or a gate.
No. Ava?
Someone opening a creaky gate.
No. Bodhi?
A door opening.
No, hold on. The sound hasn't finished yet.
It microwave.
1 point to Tex.
Yeah.
Okay, I've got another sound. Oh, you're really quick with it.
That would be clapping, like.
Crinkling paper, like
Yes,
when you
1
crinkle
point
your
to
paper.
Ava.
It could have been a bag.
Good job. Okay, I've got another sound. This one's a little bit hard. Oh, broom, yeah.
Like a horn, like a clown.
Not quite, yeah.
A seal, like how they go.
Yes, you're right, correct.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, let's go back to this one to see if you can get it. What is
what do you call it? One of those jumping actions in cartoons.
No. Anyone else? Okay. It was a guitar string plucking.
Oh,
Yeah.
Have you been overseas? If so, what is your favourite country?
I have been overseas. I've been to Europe and I've been to Japan, and my favourite country is France, but more specifically Paris. Beautiful.
I have not been overseas, but if I were to go overseas, I would go to New Zealand.
If I to go overseas, because I've never been, I would love to go to Japan.
I really like America because there's a bunch of different foods.
What jobs have you worked before becoming a teacher?
So I worked a couple of part-time jobs when I was at university, learning to become a teacher. I worked in a cafe. I worked at a school camp in the kitchen. And I worked in retail in a shop selling things. But they were just part-time jobs.
What is on your bucket list, and have you taken anything off that bucket list?
I don't really have a bucket list, but if I did, well, some of the things I really want to do is go to Antarctica. I really want to go down there and see what that looks like because it looks so cool. And I also want to go to Greece, and I'm actually planning a holiday there at the moment. So hopefully I get to tick that off soon.
I have not ticked anything off my bucket list because it's a job and it is become a wildlife biologist.
Mine, if I haven't ticked anything off, but I would like to go to iFly in Japan.
I would really like to go skydiving.
That brings us to the end of our podcast. Thank you, Mrs Shattock, for joining us today.
Thanks, guys.